Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Naomi and we focus on lifestyle, fashion, beauty and travel. And with Father's Day coming up, I wanted to quickly make this video for you to give you some options of possibly gifts that you can give to your father or any other father in your life. Let's get right into the video. In last week's video, we talked about all these summer fragrances that I'm currently loving, which are more tailored towards a feminine persona. But in today's video, we're going to talk about all the fragrances that lean a little bit more on the masculine side that I love on my wife. Now, the first fragrance we're going to talk about today is from Maison Margiela. It is the Replica Jazz Club. This was gifted to my wife over Christmas, and honestly, I don't know if it's the fragrance or just her body chemistry with that fragrance combined. It is so smoky and moody and almost peppery. Now the notes in this fragrance is pink pepper, rum accord, and Tabasco leaf. The pink pepper note brings out an aromatic freshness to the fragrance. It is liquor-like and it gives that addictive sweetness that you get from like a liqueur or a rum. And lastly, the tobacco leaf evokes a sweet, smoky, herbaceous, intoxicating, and sexy. I love when she wears this. I'm a smoky, woody type of girl, so I'm not surprised that I'm drawn to this scent. I absolutely love it on her. Depending on your taste, I would say this is unisex because there are days in the warmer months, like a fall, winter months, where I would sneak a few sprays for myself because it really gives you that deep, rich, smoky scent that I like. So this can translate as a unisex scent, but it more leans to the masculine side. Our second scent is going to be Zara for him. This scent is quite similar to our first scent. It is like woody and warm and oody. Now the notes that can be found in this scent is going to be cardamom, sandalwood, and bergamot. If you have a similar taste as myself, I would classify this as a unisex fragrance, even though it is marketed to men or people with a more masculine presenting persona. I love it. Every so often, I would go and sneak a spray here or there because I love adding those richer, warmer, deeper tones to my scents as well. I feel like it just adds a little bit of complexity and body to my fragrances, but I also absolutely love it on her and her body chemistry. Now our third fragrance on the list is going to be Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. This is definitely a unisex fragrance. I know plenty of women who enjoy Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, even though it is marketed towards the more masculine personas. I absolutely love how this smells on my wife. The top notes that you're picking up with this fragrance is going to be crisp Granny Smith apples, zesty lemon, and bluebell. So there is a bright, crisp fruitiness to the scent, but it's also very light and fresh and easy wearing. I personally believe that this is more of a daytime scent, but you can wear it whenever you want to. This to me is an easy spring summer fragrance. I absolutely love how it smells on her, and I would recommend this to anyone of any gender. I would chance it and say that it is long lasting. Definitely one of her fragrances that is on the top of my list. So like I said earlier, the top notes are Granny Smith apples, zesty lemon, and bluebell. As the scent begins to dry down, you're gonna start picking up a bit of jasmine, pure white rose, and a fresh aromatic scent of bamboo wood. Once the fragrance is fully dried down and has time to settle into your skin, you're going to get that cedarwood, amber, and white moss. So this fragrance is complex and it can appeal to both the masculine and the feminine persona. It is perfect. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Now the last fragrance on our list is going to be from YSL. This is one of YSL's signature scent. I would say that this fragrance definitely screams towards the more masculine presenting personas. I love how this smells. It's definitely more punchy and present and in your face. I personally love when my wife wears this. Would I wear this? I don't think so because there isn't enough feminine notes to it for me to actually want it for myself. So this signature YSL scent is bold yet woody and it's infused with a sophisticated and revitalizing note of sage, geranium, as well as sensual individual would. It definitely screams masculinity, it screams person in charge, it screams, yeah, I'm the one you need to speak to. I love this on her. If you are someone who loves a more bold, punchy, strong, but not overbearing scent, then you'll truly enjoy this. These 4 fragrances are the top contenders when it comes to my wife's collection. She is very particular in regards to what she wears, but by the looks of the selection, you can tell that there are some similarities in the things that she enjoys. She enjoys fragrances with a bit of punch, woody, deep undertones that's long lasting, and I really feel like that is highlighted throughout the fragrances that I selected from her collection. And clearly my wife really has very expensive taste. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, I would advise you to check out Zara. Zara has some really great options that are really inexpensive, and going through her collection, I really wanted to create a balance of, you know, budget-friendly and high-end. But once going through, I realized that majority of her collection is kind of high-end. Like, she likes the finer things in life, and I like that too. I love that for her. So if you do want to give any of these fragrances a try, I will be sure to have them linked below, as well as I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.
I want you to